Hey, what's going on? This is Nate from rainoillamps.com. Just wanted to welcome you to your quick start guide. There are several lines that have hooks on the end. Please connect those to the loops on the bottom of the platform which the statue stands on. You can also disconnect these lines anytime you'd like to change the statue or the light bulb or even the foliage. Now that your lines are connected, please fill up the basin with oil. It should take about 3.5 bottles of oil to fill the basin half an inch from the rim. Pour the oil slowly at the feet of the statue, or basically in the center of that platform that the statue stands on. Doing so will help you avoid any spills. Basically, you want to cover these support brackets. Now that your lamp is filled with oil, turn it on. It should take about 20 minutes for you to see the first drops. Now I hear you saying to yourself, 20 minutes, I can't believe this. That's only for the first time that you turn on the lamp. Subsequent times, it'll take, 2 or 3 minutes. You may notice some oil running off the leaves or flowers. You can just go ahead and tuck those back into the lines or adjust them so that they're not dripping off the side of the lamp. Clean up any spills with a paper towel and a bit of isopropyl alcohol. I found it works very well. In this section, I'm going to cover how to drain the lamp. You want to support the lamp by hanging it from that loop up top. Then put a container below to catch any oil that may spill, because there will be some oil once you remove that rear foot, which is actually the drain. Just remember to make a container large enough to capture 3.5 bottles of oil. Now if you want to drop down the basin entirely, just loosen that center foot there. You're going to remove that nut, or as I call it, a foot. And then remove the rubber washer. And then you can just drop down the basin. Keep in mind that there is still some excess oil in there, so keep it over your container or a towel, something that you don't mind getting a little bit of oil on. As you can see, there's definitely some residual oil left over. Now you want to leave this basin connected. There's a wire that runs through it. Just put it somewhere where it's going to be supported. You may find that the tube needs to be reinserted into the pump. So now that the basin is off, you can just take that tube and reinsert it back into the pump. This is very rare, but it does happen from time to time during shipping. I've had it happen 2 or 3 times. Putting it back together is basically doing everything in reverse. You're going to put the basin back on, reinstall the washer, and reinstall the foot. And of course also reinstall the drain foot. And there you go, you've got your brand new rain oil lamp. Hope that you love it, and thanks again for your purchases.